Hello everyone, I hope you enjoy your Monday. It is Monday here. I'm in Alberta, Canada, and as you can see, I'm at the indoor playground. You see those nice colors. My kids are just playing somewhere in there, and this is my office today. Just like to introduce to you about this about this online business that offers the flexible location, the flexible time that doesn't really interfere with my lifetime. So I'm taking my kids to the indoor playground so they can play around, and I'm working on my business. As you can see, I got my laptop here, so I got my water here, and I'm all set up for working on my business here when they're having fun. So this is one of the benefits of working this online business, that you can work anywhere, anytime. So fitting your life schedule, right, with your family. And I just took my kids to the eye doctor to get a checkup this morning, and I'm here at the playground, indoor playground, with my kids. So I have the business with me pretty much all day where I go. So I just like to introduce to you this opportunity if you're searching online or looking for some flexibility, schedules, or whatever location is. And you can check this out by register your name and email in the website, and we'll send you more information about this online business that you can do anywhere, anytime, as long as you have the Wi-Fi. I got Wi-Fi here from this playground place. I'm just gonna show you one more time. So the kids are there somewhere and playing, and I have my laptop here ready, so I'm good to go. So I'm gonna stay here for a few hours until the kids are they're having so much fun. So yeah, so you can register your name and email on the website, and I'll send you more information. Okay, so enjoy your Monday as well. The kids are ready.